We have some breaking news for cryptocurrencies right now. We have just in the FTX CEO is trying to buy Robinhood. They're planning to buy Robinhood, which is also a big crypto app. What does this mean for cryptocurrencies? We also have some very important indicator to show you in this video. And we are seeing, as we talked about it early this morning, that the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges is going down. So the whales are buying. We also have some news regarding cryptocurrencies. Why cryptocurrencies did not rally today? Has the rally been halted? Are they going to not go up anymore? We're going to be talking about all of this. We're going to be taking a look at technical analysis to see where the market is headed. Make sure you guys watch this video until the very end. You cannot miss what I have in store for you in this very important cryptocurrency video. Now, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications, and let me know in the comments below. Did you guys buy the dip? Did any of you buy the dip the last couple of weeks? Let me know if you did and what cryptocurrency dip you bought. Now, getting straight into the video. This morning, we saw a pretty decent dip in the crypto market, where as soon as the stock market opened up, cryptos just went right down. And that happens, Mondays, typically for cryptos and stocks, it's kind of like an inside day, low volume. And, we were really green this past weekend. Stocks were very green on Friday. And whenever there's a lot of green, there's always a little bit of a pullback. So we saw a healthy pullback today. And cryptocurrencies have bounced and are continuing to go back up. As of right now, this could change at any second, of course. But we are seeing Ethereum up in the green. If we take a look at the right side of my chart, Ethereum is up in the green. We have Bitcoin almost to $21,000. Bitcoin dropped as soon as the market opened this morning to 20,500. Now let's get into some of this important information. So what we are seeing right now is the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges is going down. It's going down fast. And generally, when we see, especially here in the left side, we see a massive crash in the balance of Bitcoin on the exchange reserves going down. And what generally follows immediately afterwards is a spike in the price, because Bitcoin is becoming less available. It's becoming more scarce when there's less of it to be bought. So what whales are doing right now is they are buying Bitcoin, they are buying cryptocurrencies, and they're putting it into cold storage. That shows us that right now the whales are buying the dip, and they believe that prices are going to go up higher and that we are close to the bottom. People are going to buy. They think we are near the bottom, especially the smart money, the whales. They are going to buy when they think we've reached or have come near a bottom. So we are seeing a massive drop in the balance of Bitcoin on the exchange reserves. And this is a very, 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 very good thing to see, despite what's happening right now. So we are seeing this happen. It's very exciting to see. And this doesn't necessarily mean that right away Bitcoin and cryptos are going to spike, but it is an indication that we could be turning around here soon, that we could be near the bottom or have reached the bottom. It's a bullish indicator of the overall market. Now, what we are also seeing is that FTX is looking to acquire Robinhood. So Robinhood right now, of course, you can see the stock is down significantly from the all-time high of about $70 is about $9 today. It did spike today. The Robinhood stock is down. And that, of course, is because a lot of crypto companies like Robinhood are reducing their staff. Their businesses are going down because cryptos are going down. And what FTX is seeing is an incredible opportunity. So FTX is buying a company that has been beaten down because of the crypto bear market, because of the bear market for stocks as well. And that shows also the bullishness of the big whales, the smart money on the crypto market and stocks overall, the economy and everything else. So cryptos and stocks move together. So if FTX is coming to basically bail out or buy Robinhood, which is really, really low right now, they are buying the dip on the crypto market. They're buying the dip on the stock market. And they believe that here soon, very likely, that they do see a rebound in overall markets. That is a very bullish sign, in my opinion. Let me know if you think that this is going to be a bullish catalyst for cryptos. I think it is another indicator that there's a lot of bullish things that are happening behind the scenes. Even though prices have gone down and crashed and people are getting laid off in crypto companies and things seem bearish, there's a lot of bullish things that are happening behind the scenes that you must be completely aware of. And moving on, just let me show you the charts here. So of course, we take a look at the charts, and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies have been looking and setting up in a bullish manner, right? So we've been paying attention to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin was forming this inverse head and shoulders pattern. And this pattern ended up playing out to a degree. Now we need to go back into this pattern to see. Let me show you this. So this was the resistance level that cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin were facing since Bitcoin had crashed down, but we broke out of it last week. And guess what? Today's little dip is just a confirmation, potential retest off of this resistance, the previous resistance, which has now potentially become support. So this could be the confirmation of this breakout pattern, which is very bullish. If this is the confirmation, the retest of this previous resistance or support level, this can mean that we could be seeing a big bounce here this week. Now, another thing I need you to be completely aware of, and it's going to be affecting all stocks and cryptocurrencies, is Jerome Powell is going to be speaking about 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Wednesday. He's going to be talking with the European central banks and their inflation. So depending on what is said over there, can also have a strong impact on the volatility of the stock and crypto market. So that is another thing just to be aware of for this week. But overall, I am still bullish on this bottom right here. I am still bullish on this bounce right here. I do believe that we are setting up to make somewhat of at least a short-lived bounce, and this could be taking place over the next week and even the next couple of weeks. So overall, I'm quite bullish, at least for the short term, the next week, the next couple of weeks. We could see some more downwards movement the next couple of days, but overall in the next couple of weeks, especially in the month of July, I am more leaning towards a bullish month in the month of July. Let me know if you lean towards a bullish or bearish month in the month of July. And if you guys want to get access to profitable trade alerts where we are making money when the market is going down, when the market is going up, join the Patreon right now for only $10 a month. But if you want to get access to all the tiers of buy alerts where you can even speak to me on the phone, join tier 3. And do not forget to go over to Bybit and create an account using my link below. If you deposit over there, you can qualify to $4,000 bonus, and even only depositing $10, you can qualify to win a spot. This is just for my followers only at the Formula 1 race in Silverstone, all expense paid trip. Now, I also highly recommend checking out my latest video that I made earlier this morning. It's going to be very important for you to watch so you can really understand what's happening, and I will see you all later.